Let's put it all together and do an assignment. We will create the geometry for this star. To do this, you will need to know how to create a line and a circle. You will need to know how to trim, delete, and create a pattern. You will create a polyline out of a series of lines and use the offset command. Finally, you will need to use the hatch fill command in some of its options. Let's start by checking your eSnap settings. For this assignment, you need to be sure that the center option and the endpoint option are selected. Right mouse click on the eSnap button. Select Settings. Check to make sure that the endpoint option and the center point option are selected, and click OK. To begin, create a circle with a diameter of 6 located at 4x and 4y. Now, draw a line from the center of the circle to the northern quadrant point of the circle. Since we didn't set quadrant point in the eSnap setup, we will force the line to the quadrant. Type QUA and hit Enter, then select the northern quadrant point of the circle. Make a circular pattern of this line. We will end up with 5 lines equally spaced around the circle. Create the outline of the star by drawing lines from the endpoints. Now you can delete the original construction geometry of the star. Let's use the trim command to make our outline. Since we're going to use the offset command to offset the star, it's best to convert these lines into a polyline. Now offset the star 1/8 of an inch to the inside, and offset the circle the same distance to the outside. Let's create a circle using the 3-point option in the middle of the star. Finally, we'll hatch the star. Let's use the standard hatch for the center circle. We'll modify the hatch so the hatch lines go in the opposite direction for the outer circle. Finally, let's make the inside of the star a solid fill. Just made the star.